Pfalzgrafenstein Castle, on a small island in the middle of the river, marks the end of the Middle Rhine. Biebrich Palace in Wiesbaden is the first landmark along the Upper Rhine. It's one of many places on this stretch of river that resounds with the calls of exotic birds. Rose-ringed parakeets have made their homes in the old trees. Competition for the best nest holes is fierce. The tropical parrots are descendants of escaped cage birds, but are doing surprisingly well here. Over 6,000 now live within the Rhine Valley, and their numbers are ever increasing. Just beyond Wiesbaden, the Rhine is joined by one of its largest tributaries, the River Main.